In this video, I'll show you how to replace the hard drive and RAM of an Acer Aspire 1 722, and the only thing you'll need is a screwdriver. The first thing you want to do is remove the battery, and to do that you can use your screwdriver or your nail and use this lever. You push it to the side and the battery should come right out, and then you unscrew this one screw here in the center. Once that's done, you're going to slide the bottom panel off. In order to do so, you're going to kind of press down a little bit and then back in this direction. So it should come off pretty easily, like that. And then here's the hard drive. It should come out pretty easily, but take it out slowly and don't pull it up too hard or too far, because it's got this panel and it's attached to this ribbon here and you don't want to yank on anything too hard. There are two screws right there and right there. They need to come out so that you can separate the hard drive. So and then you just pull pretty gently. It should come right out. And if you're replacing or upgrading, it just goes right back in there like that. And it just fits right back in there in place. And if you're replacing or upgrading the RAM, it's located right here. This is the only place on this unit that you can do that. I believe the max RAM for this unit is 8 gigabytes. And to remove it, you push these little things here on the side, kind of down and outwards a bit. It's a little tedious. And it should pop up like that by itself. And you just pull it out like that. And then to put it in, it's kind of angled up slightly. It should go in very easily, and click into place like that. And then to put the panel back on, make sure before you go pressing back, it seems like it's kind of flat already. And you just put your screw back on. It appears that I've lost it. That's awesome. Don't